My name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today we are going to be discussing of about how to create a blogger and not just create a blogger, how to create a blogger and assign multiple authors to a particular blogger. And if you already have a blogger blog and you just want to create a multiple author um for some reason, just follow this video and follow this step in order for you to do that. I already created a video on how to create a blog previously, so I'm going to leave the link below this video so that you guys can follow up. And then after you've done that, just follow up in this my current video and make sure you understand how to add a multiple user or a multiple author to manage a site. So in this author can have different privilege. You can either give them an editor, an author, or you can make them an admin also. So in order for us to do this, we need one, we need a Gmail account. Two, we just need to be logged in into blogger.com. So let's go ahead and start this. Let's open blogger.com first. And I already have my account logged in, so it's probably going to show me logged in. But if you are not logged in, it's going to show you an option to sign up or login page. So you just go ahead and click on sign up if you already have a Gmail account. Okay, this is my blogger. Just ignore what you're seeing. And then all we need to do is to go into our settings area in order for us to follow these steps. Click on your settings first and then wait for it to load. Okay, finally it's loaded up for us. Now all we need to do is to scroll down a little and try to locate blogger author. It's right here. You can see blogger author just under permission. Okay, next all you need to do, you can notice that the blogger admin here, it's TS I'm a tech talk, and then just click on add author just below. Just go ahead and add the email address of the person you want to make an author. All right here I'm just going to test out a particular email address. So once you've done, just go ahead and click on invite, and I want to add another person. So you can add as many author as you want, but the thing is the person have to accept the invitation first before you be able to assign a particular privilege to the person, either giving the person an author, an editor, or an admin. So now go ahead and add another email, whichever you want. You can add as many as, so depending on how many editors or authors or um, admins you want to have on your blog site. So let me go ahead and say trust. Only 1 to 1. Okay, now let's go ahead and click invite. And next, we are going to wait for this to be confirmed. Once it's confirmed, we come back here and open. So let me go ahead and open and accept the invitation. Let me open in incognito. Now let me say gmail.com because incognito sees it as I'm using a Chromebook here, so I can't open a different browser. So Chromebook only has Chrome browser on installed on it. So you guys should also understand why I'm opening this one. So let me go ahead and type my um, email and password. Okay, I actually made a mistake writing the password. Now let me go ahead and write the password. Before we write the password, I'm just going to go ahead and post. All right. So finally, the user have actually accepted my invitation to join TS Tech Talk blog. So all I need to do now is to give the user a privilege. Now I can either make the person an author or an admin, but since I only want the person to be assisting in posting, I don't want it to alter my templates or anything. I just want him to be an author. So just go ahead and leave it as author. And now it's remaining the other person to accept my invitation. Uh, author. So it's remaining the other person to accept my invitation. So let's wait for him. Once he has accepted the invitation, then we'll be able to keep going. And after you've done that, the person is already there. You don't need to save anything. Just go ahead and click outside, and then the person will be able to be posting, dropping posts as an author. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Charles Stanley from TS Tech Talk, and this is my blog cashcredit.com. You can also visit to read up if you are interested in learning more things. All right, see you guys later.